One
I
minute,
I
sir.
do not, I guess.
1 minute, sir. Yeah, one. Yes, sir.
I want to see you for some different reason because you were after me like snake for quite a long time.
Yeah, yeah.
By the way, I speak Hindi, not that good. So
Sir,
if you are
no,
computer,
sir. Yeah, no, yes, sir. You speak in English only because I don't know Hindi.
okay, okay.
I am from South India.
There are so many people from South India. I have so many,
Yes,
most
sir.
basically a lot, a lot.
Yeah.
Okay,
Actually,
so
sir, I am following you from last many months, but I did not have money to join you.
it's not about money, you know. You see, like
Yeah, yeah, sir.
if you had the money, also you are not able to join me by now, you know.
Yes, yes.
So
Yeah,
you are hunting me every single day. Why, brother? Why?
sir, I watched your YouTube videos many times. Last time you posted one video, 23 trades and 21 profits. Like I watched that video second by second, sir.
And have you learned anything?
Yeah, sir, I understand. You are refining that easy.
Yes, but that is not the
Uh,
only thing we refine. We
yes,
refine a lot of thing also.
yes, sir.
You will learn it. Okay.
Even today also I watched that, but you deleted that video.
Ha. There is a reason for it.
Yes, sir.
Reason.
But I downloaded that, sir.
You are smart. You are smart.
No, no, sir. I want to watch it second by second. Anything, can I get something like?
Listen, I want you to ask something. There are
Okay, sir.
there are so many people from India. Okay,
Yes, sir.
just let
Yes,
me
sir.
know if you see my screen.
Yes, sir.
There are so many people from India. They also teach MSNR.
Yes, sir.
One of the, like he's not from India. He's from Sri Lanka. Like Udra,
Sir.
people call him by alchemist. So
Uh,
you know, a lot of trader from India also teach MSNR. Why you are after me for a long time? Like
yes, sir.
every single time I said, bro, no, I'm not taking student. Every single time you are like,
Yes,
no,
sir.
I want to join. I want to join. What you have seen in me, like not any other person.
So
Why?
I will tell, sir. Actually, I watched thousands of videos related MSNR.
Mm-hmm.
But nobody explained very clearly like you. I watched your YouTube videos now. You are and your English is also very fluent. It will easily understand to me. But some people fluent in this, I cannot understand. And I have seen your trades. They are all accuracy level precise, and stop losses are very minimal and exact. They will touch and go, touch and go, touch and go. Like that accuracy we need, because loss and profit we can learn anywhere. Even I also have some simple strategy, but that kind of things will not work in markets.
People mostly now, uh,
Yes,
there are two things to do trade. One is confirmation, one is without confirmation. So most of the trade I take without confirmation. Without
yes, sir.
confirmation, it is, I do not read. There is nothing called as confirmation.
Confirmation.
Is yeah, it is good. It is good, but
Yes,
confirmation is only for when you have very volatile market. That the case only you look for as a confirmation. Otherwise, I do not look for confirmation. Okay.
yes, sir.
I
Yes, sir.
believe by now, you have seen a lot of MSNR content and you have consumed a lot of MSNR content.
Yes, sir.
What is MSNR? Like what they use actually? Support resistance, broken
Yes, sir.
support and broken resistance, and execution mostly coming from uh, QM. Is
Yes,
it
sir.
mostly coming
Yes,
from
sir.
QM
Yes, sir.
or breakout? So,
Yes, sir.
but we are not a very big fan of QM. Not a very
Yes,
big
sir.
fan of QM. QM, yes, it's a tool, and
Yes, sir.
and when it is about a pattern, so QM is a pattern. It's a pure pattern,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So pattern fails a lot of time. Pattern fails.
Yes, sir.
We read candle. We use candle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I hope you know what is engulfing.
Actually, I know, sir, but you explain very different. I watched your one YouTube video. chart is full of engulf that video one posted.
True, in a sense, true. Whatever you see, like, look at this. Like, this is the chart we have, right? This is the chart
Yes,
we
sir.
have.
Yes, sir.
So this is the engulf. We call it as an engulf, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So what we see,
Yes.
the market reacted from where?
Yes, sir.
Engulf.
Engulf.
This is an engulf, right?
Yes, sir.
Market reacted from where? Engulf.
Yes, sir.
This is an engulf. Market reacting from right now where? In engulf
Yes, sir.
zone, right?
Engulfs.
So our job is to identify. I did not even look what time frame I am in. Just by now I say I am in 10-minute time frame. So time frame is not a big deal.
Yes, sir.
What is the big deal is understanding the multi-time frame,
Yes,
what we
sir.
call as a MTF.
Yes, sir.
This is the big deal. This is the very
Yes.
big deal.
Yes, sir.
And before that, I do not know what you were following before. What you were following before.
Actually, still now I did not trade, sir. I even that I'm watching even BBMA. Use that also. I watched it in one superhero group screenshot.
VVMA is not we
Yes, sir.
use VVMA.
No,
We
no, no, sir. Just I'm searching and it will work like that. I just watching the market, but I did not trade anything.
okay. So BVMA is something which is good for direction. It's very good for direction. Okay.
Yes, and Engulf fail and break and 4 hour F15 5 minutes like one Engulf theory and I have one more order block strategy like that.
No, like what it is. Engulf is something which you can trade in a very different way. Few people use it is like there are few people they use it. Let's say uh, let's say we are in a H1 time frame. Okay, H1 time
Yes,
frame.
sir. Yes,
So
sir.
this is a strategy actually. Like you have this one as an engulfing. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so your
Yes,
job is to look for the market come back here. You go to the 15-minute. So where is your 15-minute engulf? Basically, this one and this one. So we have a lot of engulf in here. So this is a engulf and engulf area.
yes, sir.
Engulf and engulf area. If the market come back here, simple. If the market come back here, you go to the 5-minute. You look for any engulf it created in 5-minute, and when it break out this 15-minute zone, you come back, you buy. This is a approach of engulfing, but we do not use particularly that way, because as I said, we do not like look it take a time. Like this is an engulf. Okay, this is an engulf. If the market come back, what you are doing, you were waiting. Okay, if it create another engulf, you may take a buy. So you are waiting for a lot to to trade. We do not wait that far. When we wait, if the market is falling like this, okay, so look at
Yes,
this two movement. One is very slow, it's moving like in a wave. Another, it is very sharp falling. Okay, so
yes,
if it creates a wave, we do not wait, we execute directly. Okay,
yes, sir.
if it is falling very far, like faster, like this, and that time we wait for confirmation, the confirmation I talked about here. We will learn that also. Okay,
Yes,
before moving to anywhere, let me give you a brief of we are going to learn two things at the same time. One is support and resistance. Okay,
okay,
so as mostly we are following the Malaysian concept, so we call it MSNR,
sir.
and you can use it by your name also. Right, you can call it like South Indian SNR also, support resistance based on South India. So this is the one part we are going to learn. Another part we are going to learn is called engulfing. Okay, engulfing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Our primary job is to understand the market. There is no right and wrong approach for the market. You took a buy, you are right because you have your analysis. At the same time, you take a sell, you are right because you trade based on your analysis. Right. So let us start. What is market? Market is a combination of buyer and seller. Very much combination of buyer and seller. Buyer will buy, seller will sell. In between, it is our job to decide we are in which group. Are we a buyer or are we a seller? If we sell, that means we have our own logic, we have our own reason to sell. If we buy, we have our own reason to buy also. So what are the reason? This is what we called as our setup. Now this setup come from support and resistance. Also it may come from engulfing. Okay, to both of the way it can comes. So engulfing meaning, in what is the meaning of engulfing? It, in a very simplest way to understand engulfing, is something covered by something. Right, this is the very purest terminology of engulfing, very purest terminology of engulfing. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now look at this. So let's say, forget about the candle, let's say it's a human. Okay, it's a human, and he's not that tall and everything, but we have another human here. So basically this is bigger than previous one. Basically, if these both person work in the same row, same line, this person is fully covered by this person, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So basically this is what we call as an engulf. Okay, this is what we call as an engulf. So as our market, as our, just give me a minute. As our market shows us only buy and sell. Okay, only buy and sell. So we have only two things in our chart. One is buy, one is sell. Is it? Do we have anything else? Answer
Nothing,
is
sir.
no, nothing. Now this buy and sell represent us in a different way. Few people use different color in the chart. I use green and red in my chart.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now if you want, you can use, sometimes people say green means negativity, so that means you can change the color, you can use a different color, but fundamental core of the market remains same. We have only two things, either buy or sell,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? To me, or in this, as we are using this particular color of the chart, for you, buy represent what color?
Green, sir.
Green. And sell represent what color?
Red, sir.
Red. Meaning, if you look everything in the chart, we have only two, like buyer and seller, buyer and seller. Do we have anything else?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing, right? This part is so clear for now, or by now, right, brother?
Yeah.
By now.
Yes.
Then,
Yes.
then I says, once you understand this, like everything is in a buy and everything in the market is a sell. Okay, everything. That means to me, everything in the chart creates for us as a combination, right? Combination. So simple as it is, like this, if it is a, if it is this color of candle, it's present you what? It represent you as a buy.
By, sir.
Buy. And what color represent as a sell?
Red, sir.
Reds. Now, as I said, everything in the market is a combination. So when we say the combination means two different and two opposite thing, right? Like,
Yes, sir.
what is the combination we use for a key? It's a lock.
Yes.
It's always opposite, right?
Yes.
What is the opposite of fire? It's water,
I water, sir. Fire.
right? And what is the opposite of man?
Woman.
Woman. So think about it, like this is a man. Okay, this is a
Yes, sir.
man. So what will be the combination of this men? Women?
Yes, sir.
And for this particular chart, and for this particular, as I said, we have only two things in the chart. One is green, one is the red. So
Yes,
what
sir.
will be our combination for this green candle?
Red candle.
Red candle, meaning that we have this as a combination, right?
Yes, sir.
Combination. Everything happen in nature for some reason. Always there is a reason. Without reason, nothing happen. Nothing.
Yes.
when when man and woman meet, what happened?
One more baby will come, sir.
Right. So right, this is always, this is the truth, this is the nature of law. It always
Yes.
happen, right? It will.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So our job is to refer, like what happened in our subcontinent culture. When combination fulfill, they produce the generation, next generation, every
Yes.
time. So when we have this as a combination, this is just a combination, right? Just a combination. Then we said we need something that could lead us to something. Now we expect something from that combination. Always.
Yes,
This
sir.
is what we call as a, the combination should produce engulf. As human produce baby, our
Yes, sir.
combination should produce engulf. Is it?
Yes.
Now, remember what I said. What is engulf? That should be covered by covered. Like previous
Yes.
one covered by the next one, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So if it's a whatever you call it, what will be the combination of it? Like for this one,
Now it is red. To for combination, you need a green, sir.
right? So I said if it is a so fine. So let's now do what this. So this is the combination, right? It is
Yes, sir.
combination is fulfilled, no doubt of it.
Yes.
Now remember the example as I said. We when man and woman met, we produce something,
Babies.
and when our combination done, what we expect?
Cover, sir.
We expect engulf,
Cover. Yeah, angle
right?
cover. Yes.
Cover. So as the combination is started from red, and how it is like the, as I said, the first one is covered by fully the second one. So if it need to cover, how what will be the behavior? It will be like this,
Yes, sir.
meaning the previous one is fully covered by what? The next
Greens.
next one.
Next one.
So this is then what we call
Yes,
engulf.
sir.
This is what we call
Yes.
engulf. So engulf
Yes.
comes from where? Combination. Engulf
Yes.
comes from combination. Now,
Yes.
what happened? You let's say, let's say you are a lucky person. You baby produced by one try. Okay, okay. So let again do the same. So what we have in here, something.
Uh,
Let's say something.
yes,
To
sir.
fulfill the combination, we need something else. We
Yes,
need
sir.
something else. So
Yes.
now we have something like this. Is it?
Yes, sir.
So now what happened? It's a combination fulfilled.
Yes, sir.
Combination fulfilled.
Yes.
Second, once the combination fulfilled, what we say? What we need?
Angle, sir.
Engulf. So previously I said you are lucky. You have the baby in one try. This time you are not that much lucky.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So still to fulfill the engulf, what we need? We need. What is the meaning of engulf? Meaning of engulf mean the first one is fully covered by
Second.
the second
By
one.
second thing.
So
Yes, sir.
this time you are not covering it like second try also like this. Can we cover it? Answer is not yet. Not yet.
Yes, sir.
So what if it takes few candle to cover it fully? This is still a engulf, isn't it? Now
Yes.
thing is this particular one a engulf which you do not need to follow any other concept. Forget about the MSNR and anything.
Yes.
This is something we find it as a everywhere. Like whenever you go to searching, browsing the internet, when you search as a engulfing, this is the pattern it always shows you,
Yes, sir.
right? So this is the regular one we always see in the internet. That's the reason people call it a perfect one. I call it a regular one.
Yes.
Okay, but this is
Yes.
something as we do not like we do not call any other like pinba, hammer, tree star, shooting star,
Yes.
morning star. So we have only two things in the chart. One is regular, one is irregular. So
Yes.
this is the thing that we call as a irregular. Okay, now the question
Yes.
comes. If you look at the every single candle, nowhere you will see that the engulf or the candle without shadow or weak, right? Every single candle has their own shadow. Every single candle has their own wicks. Is it? Every single candle. So
Yes, sir.
whenever we see those things, what we do, we always mark the high and low to filter it. Is it an engulf or not? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So high and low is important for us to understand the engulfing. Whenever the in that case, whenever the low is broken, we call it engulf. So basically, we are not focusing on the body; we are focusing on where
Shadows.
shadow. Every single where and every single particular place, we are very big fan of shadow, no doubt of it. Okay. Now let us see some example of a chart. Like what? Like this particular one is our engulf, is it?
Yes, sir.
And how many candle it takes? Three. One, two, three.
Yes.
So
Yes,
it,
sir.
is it engulf? Answer is yes. Question
Yes, sir.
is it a combination? Answer is yes.
Yes.
Then the question comes, is it a regular one or irregular one?
Irregular, sir.
Why it is an irregular? Because it takes
That's
more than single candle,
single candles.
right? Now
Yes.
the same thing happen on here. What we have on here?
Yes, sir. Irregular, sir.
Irregular. And what we are having on here now?
Regular, sir.
Regular.
Yes,
So
sir.
now once you understand this, the second part comes, what is the uses of it? Why we use it? Why we take it? The simplest rules for this is, if you look at like whatever we have in our chart, right? We have this one as an engulf. We see market come back showing as the reaction. We
Yes.
see this one. So every time like we see this one, we see a reaction, we see this one. The question is still the problem rely in here, like, so still as every engulf is working, which one we should pick? That's the problem,
Sir.
isn't it? That's the
Yes,
problem.
sir.
Today we are not going to talk about the same color candle, like this these are the same color candle. Okay, so we are
Yes.
not going to talk about the same color candle thing. You understand, brother?
Yes, sir.
Now so far you understand whatever I have said.
Yes, sir.
To you, is chart is hard to read or chart is easy to read?
Now it's understanding, sir.
No, no, no,
I understand only angle.
not now, not now.
Yes.
I'm asking in general. Like, is the chart reading is easy for you or it is hard for you?
No, sir. It's difficult. If it is easy, I will be already profitable.
Okay, I'm going to make the chart easy for you. First of all, very
Yes.
easy for you.
Yes.
After 2 to 3 session, like now, what you feel with the market is like market is so hard. Market
Yes.
is your enemy.
Yes.
It feels like it is like your enemy.
Yes.
Every time you take a trade, it always goes against you. Okay.